Step back into 1453, a pivotal year when Sultan Mehmed II, a visionary Ottoman leader, set his sights on Constantinople, the jewel of Byzantium. The conquest was more than a military triumph. It marked a profound shift in world history. Constantinople, a bastion of Christianity, fell to the Ottomans, yet the story that unfolded was one of unexpected magnanimity. Upon entering the city, Mehmed II did not seek vengeance, but instead offered protection and religious freedom to its Christian inhabitants, a move that echoed the Islamic principles of tolerance and coexistence. This was a moment when two worlds met, not in perpetual conflict, but in a transition that reshaped the cultural and religious landscape of the region. Mehmed's vision transformed Constantinople into Istanbul, a vibrant metropolis where mosques rose alongside churches and a new era of Ottoman rule began. Today, Istanbul stands as a living testament to Mehmed's legacy, a city where East meets West, where history whispers tales of conquest, but also of compassion and respect for diversity.